So this video is going to show you how to bring anything from the English 101 development site that we have into your own course. The reason we do it this way and not through Commons has to do more with the fact that we found that the way these quizzes were created and the way these videos were created, Commons wasn't allowing the copying. When we figure out a smoother way to do that, we might change how we do it. But for now, this is the way you bring course content into your own courses. So you go into the course that you want to bring material into. In my instance, this is a class that is a Late Start 101 that I have. And what I'm going to do is I've already decided which module I want to bring in from my course, from the other developmental course. So you go into Settings, and then what you want to do, you want to click on the right side, Import Course Content. So you click on Import Course Content, and then you have to select the content type. And even though we're only copying part of a course, you're going to choose Copy a Canvas Course. Then you're going to look for the course names. And what you want to do is type in, whatever will help pop it up. So if it's a 101 that you want to copy from, which is what I have in this instance, I type in 101, then I search, and then I scroll down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for that development site. And there's an awful lot to choose from. So where do I have it? In this instance, maybe the DEV is the better way to search for it. So we'll try that. And so it's the first one that came up. So I'll select that course, Faculty Department Development English 101. And what I want to do is I want to select specific content. So I choose this. I don't want to bring everything in from that course. I just want to bring in certain things. And then I'm not going to worry about the events and the due dates because in this development course for the department, no due dates have been added. So click Import. And then you'll see that it's been staged, but it's waiting for a selection. So now you're going to go and select Content. And it'll show you that you can bring in your quizzes if you want it. You could bring in modules. And if you click here under Modules, it does bring in all the modules, but you can go and delete them later. So I'm going to go ahead and click Modules. And I'm going to select Content. And it's been queued. And now these things will be pulled into your course. And depending on how big they are, it can take just a couple of minutes or it can take a number of minutes. Once it's finished processing, I can go into my modules and I'll see that they've all been added. So this concludes the video for how to bring in course content into your main site.